Tahoe. Nice. Double baffle? Oh, everything's double.
Everything but the portable.
Yeah. And this was tuned to
34.
34. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Alright, what's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Brett.
Okay.
2 ZVX15s on 10 8K.
Okay.
Man 370.
Yep.
40 bank lithium.
What are you wired to?
2 ohm.
2 ohm. Is it a 2 ohm or a 1 ohm amp?
It's a 1 ohm amp. I've been trying to do half, but then amp.
It doesn't like it? Yeah. Have you metered it at all? Just for fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? How did it do?
149.
149? At 2 ohm?
Yep.
That's pretty good. Did you build the box?
That man right over there did.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I love to hear. What did you peak at?
149.
149? What was the peak, the frequency?
39.
39, okay. All right. Sorry, I just like to know everything.
Yeah.
to the back real quick? What vehicle is this? What vehicle?
04 Tahoe.
Tahoe. Nice. Double baffle?
Yeah.
Oh, everything's double.
Everything but the portable.
Yeah. And this was tuned to?
34.
34? Okay.
9 cubic feet.
Yep. Awesome. What was your name?
Brett.
Brett. Nice to meet you. Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
You have a good day. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.